This is Trump Force One, and this is Air Force One, two private jets tasked with taking two incredibly influential people to wherever they desire. Both planes are so recognizable that it's nearly impossible to mistake them for any other aircraft. But which one is better? Trump acquired his plane over a decade ago and customized it with the finest designs money could buy. Air Force One, on the other hand, is considered a flying White House with unmatched functionality and technological capabilities. Now, as Donald Trump steps back into office, would he see Air Force One as a downgrade or a celebration of access to one of the most advanced aircraft the U.S. government can provide? Let's investigate this topic. Trump once did an interview with Rolling Stone, boldly claiming his plane was bigger than Air Force One and a step up in every way. While that's quite a statement, the reality tells a slightly different story. Trump Force One, a Boeing 757-200, is undeniably impressive, but smaller than Air Force One. It measures 155 feet in length, with a wingspan of 124 feet and a height of 44 feet. Powered by two Rolls-Royce RB211 engines, it has a range of around 4,000 miles and a top speed of 609 miles per hour without refueling. The outside design of Trump Force One is iconic, featuring a giant T on the tail, Trump, emblazoned across the fuselage, and an American flag adorning the tail fin. The livery received an upgrade in recent years with a sleek black and gold design that makes the plane instantly recognizable. Meanwhile, Air Force One, a modified Boeing 747-200B, known as VC-25, is an entirely different beast. It measures 231 feet in length, has a wingspan of 195 feet, and stands at an imposing height of 63 feet. It's powered by four Pratt & Whitney JT9D engines, each generating over 56,000 pounds of thrust. Air Force One can reach a cruising speed of 630 miles per hour and cover 7,800 miles on a single trip. In-flight refueling capabilities give it essentially unlimited range, a critical feature for a plane tasked with transporting the President of the United States. Air Force One's design isn't as flashy as Trump Force One's, but is no less iconic. Its light blue and white color scheme, the presidential seal near the front, and United States of America written across its fuselage leave no doubt about its importance. The American flag on the tail fin completes the timeless design. While the exteriors are striking, the real magic happens inside. Trump Force One, unsurprisingly, prioritizes luxury and comfort. The interior reflects Trump's personal style, featuring leather seats, gold-plated seatbelts, and elegant wood finishes. A spacious lounge with plush sofas, a flat-screen TV, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system makes travel incredibly comfortable. The dining area has a large conference table, perfect for formal meetings or meals. The master bedroom includes a queen-size bed, ample storage, and a private bathroom with a shower. Guest rooms, multiple bathrooms, and a galley for meal preparation ensure that every flight is a blend of functionality and extravagance. However, there's a glaring issue with Trump Force One. It's old. The plane's first flight dates back to 1991, meaning it's over 30 years old. Unlike modern aircraft that use advanced computerized systems to control flight surfaces, Trump's 757 relies on cables and push rods. While Trump spent $250,000 on interior and exterior upgrades, it's essentially an old plane with a shiny coat of paint. Compounding the problem, Trump Force One sat idle during his first term, stored in the Hudson Valley with one engine missing and exposed to the elements. While the plane has since been refurbished and returned to service, it's unclear if the lavish interior remains in the same condition as before. Air Force One, meanwhile, prioritizes functionality and security above all else. Inside, it operates as a mobile command center. The presidential suite includes a private office, a bedroom, and a bathroom. The office features a large desk and secure communication systems, allowing the president to work in flight. A conference room doubles as a dining area for up to 10 people and includes advanced audiovisual technology. Staff members have dedicated areas equipped with communication stations, seating, and workspaces. The onboard medical suite, complete with an operating table and a doctor on standby, ensures the president's safety in emergencies. The plane's communication systems are unparalleled, providing secure channels to military command and global leaders at all times. Coupled with in-flight refueling, Air Force One ensures the president can remain in the air for as long as necessary, enabling operations to continue during crises. While Trump Force One is better in terms of style, Air Force One definitely prevails in functionality and safety, but both planes come at a cost. Trump Force One is privately funded, with operating expenses covered through Trump's personal finances, business ventures, or corporate accounts. The cost to operate a Boeing 757 ranges between $8,000 and $10,000 per flight hour, including fuel, maintenance, and crew salaries. Air Force One, however, is far more expensive. In 2022, the U.S. Air Force estimated the cost to operate Air Force One at $200,000 per flight hour, approximately $2,964 per minute. These costs include fuel, staffing, maintenance, security, and advanced defense systems. Since the plane is taxpayer-funded through the Department of Defense's budget, every flight sparks debates over necessity. For example, when President Joe Biden flew to Michigan in 2023 to join the UAW strike, critics questioned whether the brief 12-minute appearance justified the significant taxpayer expense. While Air Force One is unmatched in its ability to serve the president, it's also aging. The current models, built in 1990, are due for replacement. Boeing, the supplier, has faced delays, staffing shortages, and production issues, pushing the delivery date for new planes to 2026 or later. As the newest reports suggest, even 2029 as the delivery year. Despite its age, Air Force One remains meticulously maintained to ensure reliability, unlike Trump Force One, which endured years of neglect. Another consideration is convenience. Trump Force One, when operational, offers unmatched flexibility. Trump can fly wherever and whenever he pleases without extensive coordination. In contrast, presidential travel involves notifying the Secret Service, international governments, and preparing for contingencies, turning every trip into a logistical challenge. Ultimately, both aircraft are impressive symbols of power and status. Trump Force One represents luxury and personal style, while Air Force One embodies unmatched security and functionality. However, their differences highlight a fundamental question: are they worth the cost? Air Force One's astronomical price tag is justified by its role in protecting the president and facilitating critical operations. Trump Force One, though significantly less expensive, is privately funded and reflects its owner's personal priorities. But here's the question: which would you prefer? Would you pick the luxury and comfort of Trump's private jet or the unmatched security and capabilities of Air Force One? And most importantly, are these planes really worth the price? Write in the comments below. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more surprising aviation videos.